The components required for this experiment are XIAO ESP32-C6 board, DHT22 sensor, breadboard, connecting cable and connecting wires.
Now log into the blynk.cloud website. Then go to developer zone. Here click on new template and we can give the template name. Temperature monitor with XIAO ESP32-C6. Now select the hardware as ESP32 and connection type as Wi-Fi and click on the done button. Now go to setup data streams. Here click new data stream and select virtual pin. Here enter the first variable as temperature and select the pin as V0, data type as double and select the unit as Celsius and enter the maximum value as 100. If you want, you can change the color and click on the create button. Now again go to new data stream and select virtual pin. Here enter the variable name as humidity. Now select the pin as V1, data type as double, change the color and select the unit as percentage. Here also the maximum value is 100 and click on the create button. Now from the left side menu go to web dashboard and here drag two gauge widgets. Now go to the settings of the first gauge and here choose the data stream as temperature and click save. Now go to the settings of the second gauge and select humidity and again click the save button. Now save the template. Now go to devices. Here click new device and then select from template. Here choose the template which we created, temperature monitor with XIAO ESP32-C6 and click on the create button. Now we got the template ID, template name and authentication token. Click here and copy the values. Then paste in our program. Now we need to install the DHT library and the Blynk library. Then enter the Wi-Fi username and password. Now we can upload the program. For that go to this drop down. Here the port will be already selected. If you want to change the board, click this select other boards and port. So here search for the board XIAO ESP32-C6. So select the board, click OK. Now click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the XIAO ESP32-C6 board. Now we can set up the Blynk mobile dashboard. For that download the Blynk IoT application from the Play Store. Once you open the application, you can see the template which we created in the Blynk web dashboard. Now click on the template. Here go to settings and click the plus button from the bottom of the page. Here also we need to add two gauges. Now click on the first gauge. Here choose the data stream as temperature. Go to design and give the title as temperature. Now go back. Now click the second gauge. Here choose the data stream as humidity. Go to design and give the title as humidity. Now go back and again click the back button. Now the setup is completed and now we can check the output.